Are you looking to upload a video directly to Amazon S3 using an AWS Lambda function? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how to do just that without downloading the video to your local computer. I completely understand your frustration. It can be a hassle to download a video just to upload it again. You're not alone in wanting a more efficient solution, and many developers face this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to upload a video to S3 using a download URL without saving it locally. They want to avoid memory consumption from buffering or streaming. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So, what's the best way to handle this? The key is to use a streaming approach that allows you to transfer the video directly from the URL to S3 without using excessive memory. This method is efficient and effective. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you optimize your AWS Lambda functions even further. To begin, the user needs to set up an AWS Lambda function. This function will be triggered to upload the video directly to S3 using the provided download URL. Next, the user should configure the Lambda function to handle the video upload. This involves using the AWS SDK to interact with S3 and fetch the video from the download URL. Now, the user needs to implement the logic to download the video stream and upload it to S3. This can be done using a stream pipeline to efficiently handle the data. Finally, the user should test the Lambda function to ensure it uploads the video correctly. This can be done by invoking the function with a test event containing the download URL. Fun fact, did you know that Amazon S3 was launched in March 2006? It has since become one of the most popular cloud storage solutions in the world. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to create an AWS Lambda function that downloads the video file from the provided URL and temporarily stores it in the /tmp directory. After that, you can upload the file to Amazon S3 using the AWS S3 SDK. It's important to note that the /tmp directory has a limit of 500 megabytes. If your video exceeds this size, you'll need to implement a multi-part upload by downloading the file in smaller portions. To download the file, you can use any library of your choice that supports downloading web files. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always monitor your Lambda function's memory usage and execution time. This will help you optimize performance and avoid unnecessary costs. And there you have it. You can now upload videos directly to S3 using AWS Lambda without the hassle of downloading them first. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.